You guys know me. I'm Charles. But we're here today with a new person you guys never met before. No, I'm kidding. It's Michael Norman.
Yeah, I'm completely new to this, man. I don't know anybody. Charles, who the hell are you? Why are you such a bitch?
I don't know. I just love being a bitch. I don't know. Being a bitch forever. And we're going back to the racing action. We're gonna talk about some Pocono today, Mike.
It's a tricky triangle. It's hard to get used to. Some people hate it, some people love it. I'm in between, and looking forward to coming up through the field and hopefully getting that W as a driver standpoint, but as a commentator standpoint, it's going to be a pretty damn awesome race, man. And turn 2 is going to be the trouble spot, I can tell. Turn 3 might be the second. In the numerical order of trouble spots, the highest 2 will be turn 1. But let's just see in this race under which will stop. Let's get this one.
All right, let's stop stalling. Let's go. Guy's gonna be. What do you think the Mac is gonna be here today to win this puppy?
Being on that inside line and getting to run off the corners and don't forget to shift. Shifting will bring you magic.
Well, what manufacturer do you think is gonna win here today?
At a Chevy, Ford, Toyota.
Yeah, there's one Dodge in here.
Well, I say that a Chevrolet is going to victory lane today, and that is not being biased.
Yeah, he knows he loves. But anyway, we're getting ready to take green flag with Jeff, Ozzy, Henry, Sanford. Who do you think is gonna win here today? I bet I know your pick.
Well, that is me being biased. I don't know. You have to see. Charles, coming off of turn number 4, their pace truck's down pit road. The green flag is out. They've tightened their belts. Boogity, boogity, boogity. Let's go racing at the Tricky Triangle, boys and girls. And Charles, who's not really racing, but in the broadcast booth.
Yes, I am. I used to be a racer, but I retired because I suck. But anyway.
Yes, Charles, dude.
I'm a noob, man. As you can see already, these guys are really testing it. They're going 3 wide. Oh, contact in the back there, but here comes the 99. These guys are not going to have a lot of grip like they had in practice, and the lead's probably going to change a lot.
With the sunlight out, this track is going to be slick. So as you see, it looks like the 27 is coming into trying to get to the lead here.
The 99 of Rob Williams that just took the lead away.
Charles, scroll up on your positions up there, by the way.
Yeah. I always fail doing that, but the first lap, the 99 is going to be the first guy to lead the lap here today, and the Ford is leading right now, beating all the Chevrolets right now.
Yeah, those Chevys are coming. We failed to mention that there's 30 laps in this race, plus possibility of a minimum of 1 pit stop.
Maybe, unless everybody wants to take 2, just to be stupid, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, but that 99 has gotten away a little bit, but the 27 is reeling him back in. Get some side-by-side racing for the position. Chris Washer and the 1 and Jeff Ozzy battling for the 4th position. Oh yeah. Now it's
a lot of these people are thinking James Bond style, and they're thinking, I'm going to sneak my way up there, and no one's even going to notice having started from the back to get up to the front. Now, I'm telling you that right now, I guarantee we'll see some near the front before the end of this race.
Oh, did I see some smoke back there? I must have been dreaming.
I don't know, Charles. We smoke too much.
Oh, and look who's making a move up here. She started 41st in this race. Here she is right there. Jessica Shelton, she is up to 33rd. she's making a little bit of a charge.
Wouldn't be surprised to see her up there. She's a really determined racer.
She does everything she can to get up to the front. There's Michael Norman. He's making some moves as well. He's right there. He started in the back as well. He's up to the 19th position already.
They're going single file up at the front here. They're probably just trying to
Feel what they got.
some tires here.
I don't think they'll be like that for long. But up at the front.
Or the race, Charles. There's no need to make moves now yet.
Yeah, you're right. It's real early. 99 still leading the race, but the 27 and 24 is right there behind them.
People are trying to use that grip strip, but if this track is just so slick that I don't think it's really working.
Not at all, and they're really going wide down that front stretch. Here comes the 24. He's roughing it up with the 27. He's gonna get that second spot. Jason Tross in the 24 machine. He's gonna get it. Oh, we got a wreck.
Oh my God!
Oh, and Jessica Shelton's hard into it.
Oh, I see who's all in there. Is that the 54?
Yeah, I think he was involved. He might have missed it.
Jessica looked like she was. Is that her truck I saw?
Yeah, that was Jessica. Jessica Shelton in the 94. The 8, and Zach Landers was involved. The 44 of Ryan Bell involved. And caution way out earlier. You know, as you can see, these guys are having no grip, and it just showed right there on that caution real early in the race.
The strategy's going to come out. I don't quite think that these guys are in their fuel window, but do you think we'll see them come down pit road?
Maybe. We might see some of the guys in the back, but I don't think the front guys are going to.
If you were still driving and you were the leader, would you come down pit road now, or would you wait until the race started until you do your pit window?
I would try to get in my pit window. I don't want to pit right now. I don't want to lose that track position. But anyway, we will take you to what brought that caution out as the 99 of Rob Williams is leading behind the Ford pace truck. I'll let you very bad spot too.
Yeah, right up at the front right here. 54 looks like he kind of slides up the track right into, what number is that?
Ryan Gravel, and I think Cole Daly got a piece of it. And then, right there, the 8 and the 94 came right into that. Not what Jessica Shelton needed at all. This is just terrible for her. She's making some moves up. She just had nowhere to go on that high line with the 44 in the way. And her day will end here early.
It's a tough break for Jessica, man. She's not going to be happy about that. Not at all.
I don't think the 44 is going to be happy with the 54 either. But there was something else that happened after we got across the line. These guys kind of piled up on the back stretch. Right there. Brian Akasi gonna go in the back of Tyson Broad, and yeah.
Still just stacking up.
Yeah, he spins him around.
Hit the brakes, or because the bunching distance is too close.
And there you see Jessica. It's looking like, yeah, she has a lot of radiator damage. She's done. No Aaron's Dream Machine for her this weekend.
Bring her behind the wall for a while to replace the radiator. Wanted to see what happens when you go back up for the restart here.
Alright, so we're going to see if these guys are going to pit, who's going to pit, but I doubt anybody, but we'll check.
I think
only the guys that got pretty much involved in that wreck are pitting. Oh, and the 88's pitting. John McNamara, and the 51 of who is that? It's Cody Lamas, and the 51 is pitting as well. It's only those guys pitting. I think Cody got a little bit of that wreck, but I'm not sure. But out of the race, as you can see,
94 has retired from the race.
yes, along with
she has declined the interviews, so we're just gonna go ahead for a loan to gather her thoughts.
Yeah,
I just see some cars on pit lane here getting 2 tires.
Yeah, the 14 took off the hood there. Had to fix some damage, as you can see. There's a 62 Code Alley. He had to fix some damage as well. But we'll take you back to the green flag. Trucks are out of the race, and 94, the 44, and the 8. We are back green flag racing with Rob Williams in the lead, but it's a restart.
He was right. Some people pit, others didn't. The main people didn't pit. But that means we're going to see them on pit road here within probably a few laps when they get into the pit window.
Oh my God, but these guys are, you can show that they are still pretty loose conditions out there. Yeah, they are all over the place again. Oh, here comes the 27 trying to get by Chris Washer in the 5. Nobody has had enough to get up there to the 99 just yet.
I'm wondering where the 3 truck is.
Yeah, I think he's somewhere up there. He might have fallen back. Oh, there he is. Michael Norman in the 18th position, but I think he just moved that to 17th. Yeah, just moved that to 17th that last lap.
A lot of these people are fighting for position. A lot of shifting. If you had any onboards, we'd probably hear it. But a lot of these drivers, I see Poteet's getting up there.
Yeah, Poteet has 75 of Preston Floyd down there. And there's a 57, Kyle Thomas right there, the points leader. He's making some noise. Daniel Day up there. A lot of these non-sponsored trucks. Whoa, Daniel Day got way out of the groove right there. He went almost into the wall.
It's the product of this slick racetrack.
It's still a lot slick. Oh, but here comes Trent Dunham. He's going to try to take it 3 wide in the corner, and this is not good. And remember what happened last time. This is not good, guys. This is not good. Oh, but they make it work. No, they're still 3 wide.
Man, they're sliding. I'm telling you.
They're 3 wide in the back too. Oh, Trent Dunham runs up in the James Qualls. He runs the 1 up. This ain't gonna be good. Oh, the 1 better back off, and he does. Saved himself. Oh, and the 57 all over the back of the 17.
Poteet's running up on that inside right there.
Yeah,
As the front car seem to be breaking away a little bit.
Yeah, 99. I think he's done led almost every lap in this race so far. It's not anybody challenging him.
I'm ready to see them dive down pit road here soon.
Yeah, it's coming up on their pit window, but you remember what happened?
Pit within 4 laps.
But these guys, I don't know if some of these guys will pit, but we'll have to see. Some of the guys in the back might not. There, Dylan Poteet in the top 10. The 27 and the 5 are still trying to get to the 99, but they have not really found the right way to pass him yet.
Heading up that inside line is that 3 truck. He's like a strong truck.
But he's getting under Dylan. in the top, yet right there in the top 10. Dylan Poteet and Michael Norman running hard for that spot, for the top 10 spot right now. Michael will get it from Dylan Poteet. Look at Michael Norman right now, really making some moves. Tough break for his friend Jessica Shelton, who probably had the same setup as he did, but just didn't get to show it.
Yeah, he's got a long way to go, much like a lot of these drivers. Poteet.
And there is a driver that made a pit stop, and he is up to the 10th spot, and that is Cody Lamas. Didn't we see him on pit road last time?
I believe so. Yeah, he said that Cody Lamas was coming down. It's those 4 tires.
You really know?
See.
Oh. Cody got running back of the one. You can see he's way faster than everybody else.
A lot of these cars, especially those with the fresher tires, I believe they might be their pit stops right now.
Yeah, it's lap 16 and shit. Oh, but look at the run the 5 truck got. He's gonna close the gap, but that 51 is gonna probably pass both of them. And look at the 88. The guys that was pitting, they are up here. Oh, and here comes Chris Washer for the lead. What the 51 gonna do? Is he gonna help him? He's gonna go on the outside of him. These guys might have to pit this time though. Oh, but side by side for the lead. And Cody's gonna get held up, and he's not even gonna get to the lead this lap. And Chris Washer has the lead now. Oh, and we got some pit stops in the back.
There's Poteet's coming in. I see the 13, 29, the 6.
There's a good angle right there. See them all down here making pit stops here. You were right. I didn't see the front half, but the back half did. There's Dylan Young in the 2 machine making a pit stop. And there's Michael Norman and Dylan Poteet. They were the first ones out. But the 32 is going to beat both of them out. It looked like he took some strategy on that pit stop.
And these guys are going to hope that they cycle around as to possibly be the leaders.
They're on different strategy as most of these guys. And here comes the 51. The other half had just pitted. 51 he's on his way.
Is it lap 17?
That's lap 18 now.
So they should be able to make it the whole way, the rest of the way.
A few of the guys that pitted earlier, they didn't pit yet. But here comes the 3. He's gonna make a move on the 32. But those are the last guys that pitted. These guys are just coming off that pitted. The guys that were up front: Chris Washer, Jordan Ippolito, Jeff Ozzie, James Qualls, the 27. And they're coming back up on the track. So it looks like everybody's done pitted already. So they're going to be back out here. And the leader is still 51, but he might have to pit soon. Who's that on pit road? I just seen somebody else. That's Trent Dunham on pit road in 17. He's one of the guys that stayed out that last time. There's Cody right there, coming up on the end of the other guys that pitted before him. He might have to pit this time, though. I'm not sure. Coming up on.
Yeah, I look cars that pit early. Out of the caution, I don't think we'll see them on pit road too closer on the end of the race unless they're trying to stretch their fuel.
They might just be doing that.
Help big of a lead does Cody have?
He has a over like a second lead on the 88.
Well, he should be using that, probably shutting his engine off or coasting a little bit longer, so I'm trying to save fuel or something.
Yeah, because he's got a long way to go to the end of this race. And he's on a different pitch strategy than everybody else. Pitch strategy, it always comes into play at this track. The guys who play it right come out with the better finishes. This is a battle for the 7th spot right here. But if those guys in front of them pit, this could be a battle for the lead. Oh, and yeah, here they go. They're pitting the guys in front of them. Oh, and the 32's got the lead right now. If this is the case, all those guys pitting. So it might be the 98. Never mind. 98's gonna have the lead.
I think the guy in 5th place would have the lead because he's as far behind as the rest of them.
I think he's on pit road though. That was a 60 truck of Tyson Broad. It's probably the 18, and he's in the back of the field. It might be the 98. These guys are battling. It's looking right now, the pitch strategy is not working out for the bow ties because Toyota is out in front of them right now.
Charles, don't get cocky yet. Race ain't over yet. There could always be a caution.
Yeah, you got a point. You guys are a little bit spread out though. Anything can happen. Pocono is known for the green flag runs, and we have got it today.
One caution so far, you never know.
Looking to see if any trouble could be brewing.
98?
Yeah, 98 is in the lead now.
Leader. And the 32 is...
And Michael Norman is in the 3rd position. I don't know, that 32, you guys might be pitting here soon. Well, I don't know if they are though. These guys might be able to make it. Here comes Dylan Poteet passing the 3rd, but they're catching that 98. I don't know about how much, but they have just cut that lead down by a little bit. The battle for the 9th position between Sean Henley and the 57. The points leader Kyle Thomas having a strong run in the top 10 for the 57 crew. That team should be very proud of themselves, leading the points and having a great run here. Okay, here comes Michael going on the Dylan Poteet again.
For the 3rd position, that's allowing the 32 to just drive away.
Oh, but they are catching that 98. Oh my God, they're right there. They just cut the lead down again.
They might be able to get them. How many laps to go do we have?
I think we have about 7.
I don't know. Let's watch and find out.
I don't know if they'll be catching live traffic here, but we'll see. Look at that. They have cut the lead down. Here comes that 5 truck. Chris Washer. He wasn't with these guys when they pitted. he can make some noise here, as here he comes. They're catching that 98. We have 6 laps to go. And Chris Washer's picking him off one by one. He just went by Michael Norman. Comes down the backstretch again, getting by Dylan Pote, who's in the 3rd spot right now. They're catching that 98. They're closing the gap in by tenths each time. Here they come in the turn 3. The Carolina Nut Toyota is going to have to hold each line. But here comes Chris Washer. They're coming to 5 laps to go. And that 5 could have just got himself up in the win. But I don't know. Here comes the 57 now. Here he comes. The 5 to the lead. Side by side. Chris Washer is going to get the edge on the inside. He's going to get the lead coming down the back stretch.
Don't count out Pote.
Yeah, don't count him out either. But it's at 57, the points leader. He's making a move to the inside. He's getting past these guys as well. I don't know, these guys have just lost their mojo or something, because they could have been up there to lead. Look at all these guys that were up front earlier. They're making their moves up here now. They're just it's going past everybody, but here comes that 57 trying to go for his 2nd win of the season, and they're 3 wide again. Oh, but they settled it out. It might be down to that 57 and the 5, I don't know. Oh, the 98. Oh.
Hey, up and down here. Here comes a lot of cars. They're coming. Coming, Charles. They're coming.
Chris Washer trying to get his career first in the truck series. But that 57 is charging, and there's the 31 going for the 3rd spot. Three laps to go. Let the best man win. All I gotta say. The 31 is hanging on, even though he has older tires than the 2 up front here. Because he pitted earlier than they did. What a run for that 5 team. Oh man, as you come back after having a terrible week last week, racking out, you're going to come here and try to win this race with 2 laps to go.
Count out that 57. He's closing it.
Oh my god, yes he is closing it. And if these two get together. But look at that 99 and the 92. Here they come, charging late.
So switching to the pace car.
Oh yeah, I'll always do that.
He's gonna catch him. The only question is, can he pass him?
And they're gonna come to the white flag. It's gonna be a finish to remember here. As they're coming down this straightaway as well. And they're gonna get ready to come down the long front straightaway. And they come. White flag. They're getting ready to come out. We're getting ready to see who's going to win it here at Pocono. White flag. $57. He's caught him. Here he comes. It's a battle between rookies Kyle Thomas and Chris Washer.
I know Nellie's going to have to dive it hard in these last two corners.
Oh, he gains on him here. He's going to have to get him in the back this straightaway. I don't know. Chris Washer might have just sold it here. Here he comes. Oh, here he comes. The 57. Oh, he doesn't get enough, though. It's going to be Chris Washer doing it. Chris Washer plays a pitch strategy right here today. And he's going to get it. He's going to win here at Pocono.
Chris Washer wins the Pocono Mountains 150, presented by Charles Jackson and Michael Norman.
Yes, and speaking of Michael Norman, he holds on with his pitch strategy and gets to top 10.
Great recovery for Michael after starting in the back.
Yes. And we'll go over a little bit of the results here with you right now. And we'll say our goodbyes.
Well, Charles, your bitch. But
yes, I know.
is cool. Tough break for a lot of cars. Oh yeah, top 10.
Well, as we look through the field and take a look at your results, we'll ask Michael a couple questions. What did you think about the race? Was it the way you planned it out?
Well, truck was good, and the racing was awesome. Stad G came into it. Older tires versus newer tires. Newer tires prevailed, of course. And congratulations to Chris Washer. Well-deserved victory. And I'll just have to get him next week.
And, well, actually, who are you impressed by here in this race? By looking at the results?
Chris Washer, actually. I'm very impressed. The kid got a victory. Very, very, very good.
And who are you not impressed with and where they finished here today?
I'm not impressed with nobody, you know. Everybody impressed me in this race.
There was a lot of strategy, and you guys did a great job keeping it clean all race, you know. Had spots where they could have wrecked numerous times, but they were smart, got out of the gas, and savored their cars to good finishes. So it is here from Michael Norman and Michael Norman Motorsports. What do you want to say out there to drivers that want to drive for your team?
Well, whenever I can get a car in the field, I'll be taking applications and I'll give it a very good thought. Team's pretty good.
Yep.
We get all our parts from Hendrick Motorsports.
As well, and we will see you next week at the Lady Too Tough to Tame, Darlington. And we still got races. And we still got races here from Nationwide Cup, but we'll see you next week at Darlington. We say our goodbyes. See ya. Goodbye.
Oh, that was exciting.
Yeah, very much. If it'll stop recording.
And it's if
Okay.